To figure out which size is best for you, grab a basic cloth tape measure. You can also use a phone charger and measure the length against a ruler. Just loop the tape measure around your head, just above the ears, around the back of the head, and then just above the eyebrows. Once you have your measurement, check the Nutcase size chart online to find out which size helmet fits you best. Now that you've found your favorite Nutcase street helmet, here's how to make sure you get the best possible fit. Place the helmet on top of your head and ensure it's level side to side like so. You also want to ensure that the front of the helmet is sitting about an inch or so above the eyebrows. Open the side buckles and slide each one up or down the reflective straps so that they end up just below your ears to ensure a good fit. Next, you will want to close the magnetic buckle by putting the two pieces on top of each other until they snap in place. Give a tug on the chin strap to ensure that the fidlock buckle is fully engaged. Next, we will adjust the straps around the chin. This will require you to take the helmet on and off to dial it in. Slide the reflective webbing through the buckle slot and move the rubber ring right up to the buckle. You want to ensure that you have roughly 2 fingers of space between your chin and the strap. You don't want it too tight or too loose. Lastly, to make sure the helmet feels snug against your head, reach around to the back of your helmet and tighten or loosen the reflective spin dial until it feels just right to make sure that it's a perfect fit. If the fit system hits your skull at an uncomfortable angle, remove the rear mustache-shaped pad and adjust the height of the fit system by unsnapping it and moving it up or down in the helmet like so. To make sure it's a perfect fit, move the helmet backward and forward. If it feels like it moves too much, tighten the chin straps. You can also try to lift it off your head upwards. If it comes off your head again, tighten your chin strap. Each street helmet comes with 5mm pads inside the helmet. If you find that there is a bit of space between your head and the helmet, you can purchase thicker pads on the Nutcase website to customize your fit experience. The pads are easy to mix and match to provide an enhanced fit. The last thing you can do before you head out the door is attach the visor to the front of your helmet. Simply line up the 3 knobs on the visor with the 3 corresponding snap baskets in the foam at the front of the helmet and press them in. Now you should be ready to go.